Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to review the Osprey Farpoint 40 bag. Very soon I'm off on a little trip to the USA, and later in the year we're doing a few other little trips. This is going to be my carry-on bag of choice. Farpoint 40, it's 40 litres, the new model out. The new model has the laptop section at the back, not the front. So if you're going to buy this bag, make sure you get the laptop section at the back, not the front. If you get the laptop section at the front, it'll be the old model. This is the brand new model for 2022-2023. Comes in 4 colours: this blue, green, grey and black. Osprey Farpoint 40 litre. Very, very popular. Read the reviews on the internet. Everyone is buying this bag and using this bag at the moment. It's a backpack. It's got a small wire frame in it. It's a proper backpack. The strap's adjustable. Cover on the back just cover up the straps. I'll show you that in a minute. It's 40 litres carry-on, so I'll show you the tags in a minute. It's got a laptop sleeve in this, 16-inch laptop sleeve. Carry-on size meets most airline regulations. Check with carrier. I went to a few websites to buy this where they do price match guarantees. None of them could match the actual Osprey's site. I'll put the link below. Osprey, I think it's osprey.com. Fantastic bag, and I'm really, really impressed. I've not used it yet, but the quality is fantastic. So let me bring the camera in a minute. I'll show you a bit more. But basically, the straps, the back straps go in the back cover there, and it's got like a handle as you can use to carry on there. Top handle there, so it fits in the above the your seat. Slide out easy. Laptop goes in the side. So I'll bring the camera in and we'll have a closer look. It's what they call a clamshell design, so the whole top opens up like a suitcase. I'm going to use this for all my travels this year. Going to the USA in a short while, and I'll be using this for other trips as well. Going to try and get most of my gear in this, and we'll see how it goes. I'll bring the camera in and show you a bit more, and I'm also going to go through a few other bits that I bought and I'm going to use on the trip. I've done a little bit of research and hunted around and found a few gadgets you might like when you're going on your holidays and trips this year. But let's bring the camera in and show you a few bits and pieces on this bag. Fantastic bit of kit, this. So first things first, on the back there you have a cover that can be undone. Pocket, you've got a pocket there for a name tag. This can be rolled down and that can be tucked into there like so. Then you have your straps. Serrated back, to stop you getting all hot and sweaty. It's got called an air escape back there. These straps can go move it up and down to adjust for your torso to fit different size people. Then you can adjust the back of the strap there. Clips there, really comfortable straps, and the harness there for the waist. So you've got a proper backpack there. We'll do that up for now, because if you're going to use this, if you're going to check this bag in, or when you're going to carry it onto the plane, once you've done your backpacking bits and pieces, this can fold out, cover the straps up, nice and tidy like so. Okay, turn it over. As I said earlier, you've got the handle there, so you can use it as a bag. Handle at the front. The new model doesn't have the mesh anymore, it just has a stuff sack like so, to stuff dirty clothes in, or shoes or water bottles. Got compression straps, so you're there. All around the bag you've got loops to do your zips up with. There. They're YKK zips, top quality zips on there. You've got some little connectors there, straps for adding extra bits. I think you can buy add-on bits for this bag. If you go on Osprey's website, you can buy add-on bits for this bag. So let's open it up. So you've got compression straps there, under the compression strap there, compression strap there, and then you undo the main compartment of the bag. Large pocket there, storing items, dirty clothes, shoes. Security strap there, secure strap there, padded back there. Put 40 litres of clothes and items in there. I'll show you that in a minute. Then that can all be done up nice and tight. So do that up, do that up, do that up. Then, one of the reasons I bought this is because I was looking at the GoPro bags, but they're not real bags, to be honest with you. Not real proper carry-on bags. And what I love about this, I'll do these up. Do these up. As I said earlier, I think I showed you earlier, side handle like so, and you've got the, there is it, laptop compartment on the side. Fits the laptop in there. So, and then the strap there, so you can just pull it out the cabin. Laptop fits in there. Brilliant bags. It's absolutely fantastic. Quality is second to none. It's a quality bag. One of the best I've owned, I would say. Really nice. Now, going by the laptop pocket there in the side. As I say, the new model has a laptop pocket facing your back. You don't need to put your laptop in a case. It's already padded, pre-padded. Don't use Macs a lot at home. I don't use iPhones. I don't use Macs when I'm doing my normal video processing or rendering. But this is an Apple Mac, an old one, and these are fantastic. It still renders videos really, really quickly. I think it's an Apple Mac. I'm not sure which version. This is not the M1 or M2. It's an older one, but it still does the job. Brilliant. That fits in that pocket. There, like so. Straighten the laptop pocket there. Zip that up like so. Also, I forgot to mention, you've got loops there to attach things on there. Fantastic bit of kit. So that's the laptop in there then. Let me show you what else I'm taking. I'll put links to all this stuff below. Cable tidy. I'll put a link to this one below because this is double layered. This is the double pocket one. Cable tidy. Top pocket. All the cables nice and tight at the top there. All my USB leads. Second pocket below. Deeper pocket there. Undo that. The Anker. I think it's a 20 or 20,000 mAh battery pack. A mouse, Logitech's small mouse, which I use. I can't use the touchpads on the laptop, so I'll use a small mouse. USB plugs and sockets, and a couple of plugs and sockets for being going abroad. Top pocket there, probably won't use it because I use it on the plane, but top pocket there fits. I really do rate these little tablets, the Amazon tablets, the Fire HD tablets. Top pocket fits in there. Like so. Okay. And that's got a zip up there. Zip all that up. I've got a few more bits going there. Yeah, I've got the laptop chargers going there. Another brilliant bit of kit. I'll put that link to that below in the description. Don't forget these bags, brilliant. The new one, 4 different colours. They really, really are nice. Quality bit of kit. Not on this trip to the USA, but on related trips, I plan to try and get me all my stuff on there and carry on without checking in. As I say, this is a carry-on bag, 40 litre. Can be taken on most planes, but just obviously check with the aircraft you're going with, the company you're flying with. Just check, double check. Really, really nice bag. I know if you do look on the internet, much sought after, really used by everybody's 40 litres. The 40 litre one, they do a 55, I think they do 40, 55, 60 to 65 maybe, or 70. This particular one can be carried on. Really is nice. Lightweight frame built inside. As I say, the straps at the back can be tucked in, so you can use it as a normal bag. There you go, that. Really nice. That's that. Right, I might be late to the party here, people, but I've just discovered apparently everyone's using these apart from me. These packing, I think they're called packing cubes. I've read some reviews, so you don't have to bother reading reviews. Different colours. These are the Amazon basic ones. Pretty strong. You put all your bits and pieces in there. I mean, that's full of jumpers, that one at the moment. I put a link below. I bought a set of 4 or 5 of these on the side of my other half, so you can get them in different colours. Top tip, if you get 2 sets of these, different colours, you can use one colour for flying out, new clean clothes, transfer to the old from a different colour, dirty clothes into a different colour when you're flying back or coming home. Not necessarily flying, but so packing cubes, different sizes. Keeps it all nice and tidy. And a couple there I haven't packed yet. I'll probably be buying another set of these for later on in the year actually, when I start going to hotter climes. But it's a late addition to my little set, but that's really good. They pack up. Even if you're using a suitcase or a backpack like so, these are fantastic. Put your underwear in one, jumpers in another, t-shirts in another, etc, etc. Keeps it all nice and tidy. Discovered this the other day. I saw someone else packing this, doing a review on one of these, and I thought, you know what, they're brilliant. So UK plug on this one. You can do it in white or dark grey. UK plug, but all you need is one adapter for that if you're going abroad to any country. You got the smaller one here. They do bigger, longer ones, but you only want the small ones. You've got 2 sockets there for UK plugs. So you put your adapter on there for the country you're in, be it Mallorca, Spain, Australia, America, whatever. Plug your stuff into there. Added bonus, USB-C ports and USB 3 standard ports there. 3 standard USB ports there, USB-C. So you've got 4 USB ports at the bottom there. So that means you can cut down on the plugs you take on holiday with you. Plug it straight in there. Plug that in the wall. Plug your phones and chargers, etc. Battery packs, whatever you're charging up in there. So all you need is the leads. You don't really need to take any plugs with you. Plug it all in there. You're laughing. This one's made by a company called AdTam. Brilliant bit of kit. I'll put a link below for that. They do them in dark grey or white. Excellent bit of kit. Last but not least, I'm going to do a little bit of vlogging when I'm out in the USA. I put a post on a Facebook group the other day, a GoPro Facebook group, and asked people if they could only take one selfie stick on holiday with them, abroad with them, what would they take? Loads of different answers. Quite a few people mentioned this. I've done a review on this. Good bit of kit. The rechargeable telesin selfie stick. A little bit big and bulky. I've got 2 of these actually now. Bit bulky, bit heavy. They're pretty good bit of kit, but for what I want to manage to go in my pocket. I've decided to cut right back. The camera I'm filming with now is a GoPro 11. Got a GoPro 10 in this box. I cleared out my box and just decided to take a small GoPro case with me. 2 cameras. One's a backup really. GoPro 11, GoPro 10. Handful of batteries. I've mentioned this before. I always rate this charger. This is the MAXCAM charger. It's small and slim. It charges the Enduro batteries for your GoPro, and it's nice and slim. So you put 3 batteries in there already, ready to go. That fits in the case. Selfie stick wise, I'm going to take the Volta. I might take a small tripod with me as well, a small mini tripod. The Volta, the reason is I'll put a camera on there. I'll leave a camera attached to the Volta. That'll fit in my coat pocket easily. And obviously you've got the remote control on there. Different mode buttons on there. It's small, compact. It'll fit in your pocket. It's got a built-in battery, so I can charge my camera on the go, on the flyer. And you've got a little attachment for the tripod at the bottom. And also, of course, you've got the built-in tripod bit on it already. So that's all I'm taking with the GoPro equipment, and a couple of little leads as well. As I say, I've got leads in the electrical kit anyway. So that pretty much is it. So the USA trip will probably be one of the longest flights I'll be doing this year. If you're interested in New York, Philadelphia or Washington DC, please like and subscribe. Follow along with me on this trip. I'll be doing some videos when I'm out there. I've got the laptop with me. I've got my software on there. I've got my cameras, and I've got my battery backup packs, etc, etc. It's a holiday, but I like to do my videos while I'm going. So if you're interested in those 3 places, like, subscribe, follow along with some vlogs, and I'll be doing some vlogs out there, some vlogs when I get home, some videos when I get home, hopefully. Bit cold out there this time of year, so all I'm packing is jumpers and socks and stuff. I'm not going mad, but mainly this video was to introduce my new bag, which is the one I'll be taking with me this year to some hot countries as well later on. I'm looking forward to getting some good use out of this. Osprey Farpoint 40. Thank you for watching. Ta-da.